Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download brand guidelines from Notion templates step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Notion website. Log into your Notion account. Locate the Notion template that contains the brand guidelines you want to download. Click on the template to open it. Review the content to ensure it contains the necessary guidelines. In the top right corner, look for the three dots representing options. Click on the three dots to open the menu. Select the export option from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear with export options. Choose the format you want to download the guidelines in, such as PDF or Markdown. Select your preferred export settings. Click the Export button to start the download. Wait for the download to complete. Check your Downloads folder for the exported file. Open the file to ensure it contains the brand guidelines as expected. You have successfully downloaded the brand guidelines from Notion templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.